Hello, welcome to the second video of the day. Tower Hero reference right now. So hopefully today we can get the Doors game to actually work. Let's get into a game. Ignore the noise in the background. Oh, we're actually in the game this time. Why didn't I buy anything? Okay. We're actually gonna need volume for this. I think you're going to be able to hear me over this. My game hasn't loaded fully, as you can tell, cause the rooms are dark. I've already recorded my toilet tower defense video. I'll check it out in the link in the description. That is El Goblino. Okay, El Goblino, stop knocking on the walls. Hold on. Apparently you can hide here for a rush. Maybe you can do this one. You can't even, that's not even the window. What is that noise? Oh, it's just a grand particle. Okay. I get paranoid when I play Doors in a server. In the next Doors video, I might be playing with a friend or maybe one of you. Oh, flashlight. It's strange how I just found a random flashlight chilling on the side of the table. Thought only crucifixes were like that. Are you kidding me? Alright, I need to read the door numbers. Dupe. God. Jeez, Rush. You didn't have to do that. Aw. Seriously, Rush. 17. Why does eyes have to be here? Another achievement. The survive dies. It's probably extremely loud for you guys. Sorry for the loud noises that you might hear. Let's do this volume. I'm honestly surprised. I'm not gonna say it, because then the opposite of what I want. Where's the key? Found it. Oh, skeleton key lying in the middle of nowhere. This was what I was on about. I was going to say we had no screech, no dark rooms so far, but we. Jeez. Why does Rush terrify me? Why does Rush terrify me? 27. It's this one. Seek already. Yeah, actually, it does make sense. But why is the hallway now? Okay. Seek chase. Oh crap. Oh, I wasn't meant to say that. Right behind me. Seek is literally right behind me, guys. There we go. Survived Seek. Let's just get another achievement. This is gonna make me take damage, but I don't honestly care. Okay, another achievement. Yeah, this is the key room. Yeah, the key's in that room. Oh, this is a dupe room. I'm just looting. I only have a 50-50 chance to not get duped. Okay, that's the dupe door. And this room has nothing in it. Keys right in now. Another empty room. I guess I also need dupe for an achievement. Next time there's a dupe door, I'm going to just go up to it and possibly kill myself. Right, I'm... Wait, what? That was confusing. What was that? Oh, the developer's trolling me or something. It's nearly door 50, guys. Nearly on figure. Vitamins. That will be useful. $47. There's no way I can get rushed now. Going into door 50. It's already a book. I literally see a book already. Wait, what? Oh god, figure is right there. So the first book was not even part of the code. Right, okay. Time for book number 2. And again, not part of the code. No more books on this side. Why am I here? Why am I here? Okay. Hello figure, what can I do for you today? 1 second, okay guys, I'm back. I just realized I stood up. Figure can literally hear me right now. Bro, this is so risky. see. Hugo is upstairs now. Seriously, no book. Okay. Oh, I missed the book. On the book. That's 6 books. Triangle for 4, 8, 7, 8. We just need one more book. We just need 1 or 2 more books. Wait, is Figure stuck? No, he's not. Figure is not stuck. Wait, is he actually stuck? There's a book on the other side of this bookshelf. X3. That's the last book. So it's 4, 8, 4, 8, 7, 8 something. 4, 8, 7, 8, 3. Yeah. Jeff's shop. Go ahead and buy this crucifix. At least I can use this against something. The next entity I see, I will use my crucifix on. Whether that's rush or not. Actually, no. I think I should save it for Seek or Door 100. Or maybe rush in Door 100. I mean, in doors 90 to 99. Now that I'm at full HP, I won't be needing band-aids anymore. I might. Because I dupe. The key's on the floor. Okay. That is a lot. Oh my god, I walked past it. Ah. This loot. Okay. 58. And there's a dark room. They're looting for me then, I guess. One sec. Oh, I got my lockpick back. I am tempted to just use my lockpicks on this room. Because it's 2 dark rooms in a row. Where are the keys? Please tell me the keys in here. Yes. I can finally get out of this dark room. Ah! It's one of these rooms. How is it rush in a dark room? It's either I didn't know that was could happen, or it's either a glitch. I never knew it could happen. The devs are trolling me, or it's an update that I've never seen before. Because I don't remember that being able to happen. Why does it feel like there's someone with me? Seriously, Screech? You're seriously gonna troll me like that? Okay, good. That was not Duke. Oh wait, I should have gone for the Duke door. It doesn't matter. 64. 65. Infirmary. 66. 67. 68. I don't really need that. Right, it's still 70 time. Seek is gonna start appearing soon. Wait, not soon. Wait, the lights probably flickered. Yeah, the lights flickered. Can you two be quiet? Can you two be quiet? I'm recording a YouTube video. I said, can you two be quiet? I'm recording a YouTube video. Okay, that's that taken care of. Oh, it's just Seek. I knew it would be Seek. But I doubted myself. It was just one Seekai in the middle of nowhere. Well, in the... Yeah, it's probably a dupe door. Again. Why do I keep finding so much gold after door 50? It's like the game hates me or something. What? What? That's weird. Wait, I've walked past the key. Yeah, that's the dupe door. The key was lying right there the whole time. It's time for dupe. Whoa! I don't know why that scared me even though I knew dupe was there. That scared me even though I knew dupe was there. That is so dumb. I just acted like an idiot in front of people. I embarrassed myself on YouTube, guys. I hope you feel happy. Oh no. I don't like this room. Door 82. 80. Okay. Nearly at the end, guys. Nearly at the end. No! I saw ambush as well. Why did I even saw ambush. It didn't even flicker. The lights didn't even flicker. Oh my god. The lights didn't flicker as well. I don't know why I got so scared of that. This is going to be the game that we play next. So yeah, guys. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna pause recording. We're gonna have to stop recording here, cause... Actually, never mind, we don't have to. Let's just get started with the game. Jeez, that's loud. That's gonna break my ears. Now this, I'm gonna have to... I can turn the volume all the way down. Okay. I have a camera for a face. What's this? What's this? Don't know what that is. Siege mode. I don't know what is. What not? Camera guy A, camera guy Joe. Okay. Does cameraman have any special properties? I never checked. 1, 2, 3. Wow, ow, 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 ow. Stop taking my kills. The NPCs are taking my kills. I'm gonna get an AK-47. An AK-47. Big toilet. Large toilet. Why? 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 Stop taking my kills. Stop running away from me, toilet. Stupid toilet. I didn't get any coins from that. Yes, kill the camera guys. Kill them already. Toilet. Whee! Ow. Oh. Okay. Things are getting deep. Seriously? I'm a cameraman as well. Respect me. Ow. I died. I'm to become a speaker man. Because cameramen suck. What does speaker man do? Ah. Speaker man. Kill them. E Q Z X V C B N M L K J H G F R T T. What? I haven't read anything. I never read anything. I don't know my abilities. F. That's what that does. Ah, I'm dying. F T E C G. Wait, what? Huh? Okay, I am very confused. Supply drop. I nearly died to a supply drop, guys. T. That's the only ability I know what it does. This one heals me. A sus phone. What the hell? I wasn't meant to say that. Okay. Y. Game. Y. Yeah. Oh, that's where the toilet is. Come here, toilet. How'd the toilet get in this tree? How did the toilet actually get in the tree? I can't reach the toilet. Hello, toilet? Off the toilet, are you there? Why can I not shoot the toilet? How am I meant to get up there? I'm a speaker man with glasses. Ah! I've accomplished something. Glasses. What's this weird bear thing? What is that? Wee. 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 Ah! I don't. That's the only one here. What's this? What's a voucher? This game has vouchers. How does this game... I don't like this. I don't like this anymore. Press F to heal self, press T to heal allies, press F to locate enemies. Hold on. Scientist. That's the scientist. I want the large speaker man. It's gonna take me a long time to get to it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here, cause I'm going to end the video here, but after I buy this. So now I'm gonna end the video. I hope you guys have a great day, and yeah, bye guys.